Good morning, everyone, students. Now I am starting question number 1 from statistics. Question number 1. We solve these questions using by two methods. First is direct method and second is shortcut method. To solve by direct method. Now question given here, a survey was conducted by a group of students as part of their environment awareness program in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. We are going to find the mean number of per house. That means we are going to find mean, and I written the method is here direct method. Which method did you use finding the mean and why? Which method we are going to use? It is written here, but no method is written in which method we shall find. It is your own choice which method you will select. I told in the beginning, if the numbers are given short number, small number, that time we shall use direct method. It is more favorable than other methods. And if the number of items are given more, bigger number, 235, 245, 544, 444 like this, that time it is difficult to multiply. So that time we shall use shortcut or step division method. So now see the question, students. During the exam, at first you prepare a table with scale and pencil. Number of plants are there. Number of plants. Number of houses. Houses are there. See, 0 to 2. First class is given here 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, and 12 to 14. These are questions. Now, frequency is given here, number of houses here, that is called frequency. So, this is class interval and this frequency. Frequency given here 1 to 1, right here 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 2, 3. The value of frequency is so less. The highest value is 6 only. So that's why we are using the now direct method. How you do? At first we shall find here class, so mid value, MV. So mid value formula is what? L1 plus L2 by 2. Mid value is, here is mid value. This is L1 plus L2 by 2. Now what is the class interval? So class interval is what? Class interval is equal to L2 minus L1. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is class interval. So in every classes, the class interval are same. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 0. So 2 minus 0 is equal to what? 2. L2 minus L1. So now our class interval coming here. 2 minus 0, this is equal to 2. This 2 will come in each and every classes. Every classes, class interval will come 2. Got it? And mid value. We shall find a mid value first. That is x and xi. Few is given here xi and few is given. Standard rule is only x. In upper classes we shall see why we are using xi and fi. But in class 10, no need to use the x and fi. But books are following here fi and xi, so we are also following here xi and fi. But it has some situation condition in upper classes you will see. So now we are using an xi. That is called mid value. Mid value is what? N2 minus N1 plus N2 by 2. That is called mid value. Mid value, that is xi. Zero plus 2 by 2, that is 1. So we say right now 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. By 2 is equal to 3. After that, no need to adding and dividing. What is the class interval? Gradually we shall add it one by one. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. At that end, once we check this value is coming or not. So first and last. Last is 12 plus 14, that is 26. 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So our answer also has come 13. Now students, f into I, frequency into mid value. We shall write now symbol fi into xi. Fi into xi. Very simple. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 7 is 35. 9 6 is 54. 11 6 is 22. And 13 3 is 39. Now add this one. It is coming summation of fi and xi. This is equal to 162. Summation of this symbol is summation. Some books written here sigma. Summation means कुल जो total. Summation means total. Summation of fi and xi, that is coming 162. Now we shall find summation of frequency, that is called n. N is net value of frequency. Either you can write capital N, don't write small n. Small n expresses a number of items. It is used only in case of individual series. But here this series is continuous series. So in case of continuous series, we shall use not capital N or summation of a, both the meaning are same. Summation of a. This is coming 20 is coming here. Yes, 20 is coming. So students, summation of fi xi has come and summation of fi or capital N has come, that is net value of frequency has come. Now we shall use the formula of mean, formula of direct method. So mean is equal to mean. Mean symbol is what? X bar. The symbol of mean is X bar. In exam period also, we can use the symbol X bar. No need to write mean. That we can use X bar. X bar is equal to summation of fi xi by summation of f or capital N or capital N. So now students, this is coming 162 by 20. You shall divide now. Therefore, mean is equal to coming here 2 8 is 16. 8.1 is the final answer. Now tell me, have you understood or not? Anybody any doubt?